How do I find the code for my TV remote?
Hello, everyone. Are you struggling to find the code for your TV remote? Worry no more. Today, we're going to explore the steps to find the remote control code for your specific television model. Remember, this is key to syncing your remote control with your TV.
What are TV remote codes?
TV remote codes are unique numerical sequences used by universal remotes to communicate with televisions. Each brand and sometimes each model of TV has a specific code. Knowing this code is essential when setting up your universal remote to work with your TV.
Check the remote control or user manual.
Your first stop in finding your TV remote code should be the documents that came with your remote or TV. If you have the original remote or the user manual of your TV, these often contain a list of codes. It's usually found in the section related to setting up your remote.
Search online.
If the documents aren't available, you can take advantage of the internet. Manufacturers often publish remote codes on their websites. Just search your TV brand, remote codes, and you should be able to find the information you need.
Contact customer support.
As a last resort, if you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact your TV or remote manufacturer's customer support. They should be able to provide you with the correct code for your specific model of television. That's it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to find the remote code for your TV. Syncing your remote control should be a breeze from now on. We hope this guide helps you. Enjoy your seamless TV viewing experience.